Welcome back to Usapang Bahay. I am Architect Aki, one of the interior designers here at Excellent Home Decor, your trusted team for smart and stylish design solutions. And today's episode is again about modular cabinets. Practical, customizable, and space-saving. Saan ba pwede ilagay ang modular cabinets? Let's dive into the best areas in your home to place them and how to do it right. Unang-una sa listahan ang kitchen. Dito pinaka-common ang modular cabinets. Maayos na base and overhead cabinets to help you organize your cookwares, utensils, and pantry items. We also make sure na well-planned ang work triangle. Yan ang inyong sink, stove, and ref para mabilis at efficient ang galaw mo sa kusina. Dito sa Excellent Home Decor, we design kitchens that are not only beautiful, but built for everyday use. Every cabinet has a purpose. Next ay sa bedroom. Modular cabinets work well for wardrobes, drawers, bed frames with pull-out drawers, and even entertainment units. Instead of bulky furniture, we can build cabinets that match your room's layout. Mas malinis tingnan at mas organized ang gamit, lalo na sa mga small spaces like condo bedrooms. We also consider the lighting, circulation space, and daily habits mo para swak sa lifestyle mo ang cabinet design. Modular cabinets can also shine in the living room. TV consoles and display shelves, all this help keep your space tidy without sacrificing style. If you work with us, we always find ways to blend function and design. The goal is a clean, relaxing space that reflects your personality. Hindi rin exempted ang bathroom. Modular cabinets can help keep your essentials like towels, toiletries, and cleaning items properly stored. Isipin mo, vanity cabinets under the sink, mirrored wall cabinets, or even tall, slim vertical storage, all designed to resist moisture and fit tight spaces. So, where should you put your modular cabinets? Simple lang. Kung saan may function, doon dapat may solution. Message us today and let's design smart, practical spaces that make your life easier one cabinet at a time. See you next week for another episode of Usapang Bahay. Tara, tuloy po kayo!